Do you need to change one of the tires on your Tesla? Well, that's exactly what I'm doing in this video. I hope you guys find it useful. But first, if you are planning on purchasing a Tesla product in the near future, feel free to use my referral code where you can get some money off of your next purchase. Now let's get to the video. Alright, so today I'm going to show you my tire damaged on my Model Y. So basically, drove too close to a curb that had a sharp angle to it and basically just cut right through. You see it goes from the top here right to the bottom here, and then also did a little nick on the rim right there. Anyways, it's still holding pressure at 42 psi right now. This happened about 4 days ago, but unfortunate since this tire only has about 4,000 kilometers on it. The reason I think this happens is because, right, there's just so much, the car is just so heavy that, you know, once it's just laying on its sidewall, it gets squished, and, you know, this happens, right? I don't know if this would have happened if the car was a little bit lighter. Anyways, I ordered a new, this is the Goodyear tire, 20-inch turbines. So let me show you this tire. Actually, it's pretty cool. I didn't know. So I bought the same one, Goodyear 255/40/20, right? It's the 101W, right? So make sure you have the right load because that's what is stock on the car. Let me show you again. It is Goodyear 255/40/20 101W, right? And here 255/40/20, right? 101, right? So this is the right tire. But what you don't know is that, you see that tag there's sound, comfort, technology. Sorry, it's pretty loud here because I'm at this like shop. Anyways, it says sound, comfort, technology, right? And then you know how there's other tire companies that doing like EV tires and they say that, right? They have the foam built in. And I was wondering whether this tire actually has it. So check this out. They actually do have the foam inside the tire to, I guess, deaden the sound noise, right? So that's pretty cool. So that's what the sound comfort technology is, and it's actually pretty cushy, right? It's not a thin piece. It's let me see if I can get a shot here. Yeah, it's pretty thick, just like so, right? And it covers, it's glued onto the tire, so it's not gonna be rolling around. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool in the tire. And yeah, so I'm about to mount this onto the rim and throw out the old tire. All right, so let me just show you. Even though there's that little rip in the tire on the bottom left tire, we're still holding at 42 psi, and all the other tires are relatively the same. But regardless, it's still, I'm not gonna take that risk, so we're gonna be changing that tire. But just to let you know, if you ever run into the same situation where you have a little cut in the sidewall, you know, it's still holding air. All right, so today here I am at Markham Alignment. They specialize in tires, rims, and mounting and road force balancing. And here I am just arriving, and they are moving the bolts in here. Just taking a quick look at inside my car. And here's the machine that pretty much pries off the old tire, or old but still new. Wow. Okay, yeah, I did not know there was a nail, but then it's hard to see that one because it's like right in the inner. Yeah, damn. Can I even? Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, it didn't go through though. I don't feel it on the other side. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, so we found a nail stuck at least on the same tire. I guess I never noticed it was because it was stuck on the inner side of the tire, but it's a good thing that I found out. Yeah, looking at this, it's feeling on the other side. The sidewall's pretty thick, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna take the chance. If you guys are looking for the ultimate in tire balancing, then I recommend going with a road force balance system. So basically what it is you see that thing that just attached to the tire, it adds pressure mimicking the road, applying pressure to your tire, and that way it calculates it and knows exactly, you know, what needs to be balanced, and so it's more precise. And once the tire's on, just make sure you torque it, and that's pretty much the end of this video. Hope you guys found this useful and informative and know what to do if you run into the same issue. All right, thanks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.